Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Ivan, and today I'm not going to do anything else in particular, not coding, but I'm going to show you the things I have been doing in Minecraft. Yeah, I haven't released another education video in a long time, but this one's not coding, this one's just to show you what I'm doing. First, I built a house, a survival Minecraft house. So I'm just going to run the code and then I'm going to explain what I did inside. Oh, I use Builder, if you want to know. So, this is a house. I'm probably thinking we can more, but I think this will do. And also the sheep, it's not my sheep. Every animal pen has 4 animals. So inside, I can't use lanterns, so I'm just only using glowstone. It's not as pretty, but it will do just fine. And upstairs, it's just the essentials area. There's another portal you can go, enchanting room. And again, this is supposed to be a lantern. But in code, there's just no lantern yet. This is a brewing area. Like if you're having for example, if you want to brew potions or give it to your friend or something like that, to PvP. And also, this part is just the storage. I know shulker boxes will doesn't look really nice up here. But see, it doesn't connect. First of all, it's better than barrels. Second of all, you can actually just break them and carry them around. But fourth, if we don't have an item inside, it won't drop. As you see, you can place shulker boxes, and it's basically a bag, like a luggage bag. This is somewhere we can just for example, like in real life, it would be so that you can block the sun and have a good view. Then this is a beacon. You can grab a material and just put it inside, and you can have whatever you like speed. Yeah, so getting around might be a bit fast. But this is the smallest beacon. It can only work for 10 blocks. So I'm not using that much. So that's all for the second floor. It's pretty easy, I know, but it's still the survival basics. Now this room, I haven't designed it yet, but it can be like an extra storage room, but I'm not sure. So now this is your bedroom. It might look strange. It's not like the usual bedrooms, like you have 2 beds. But this is your easy bedroom. Maybe I'll change it later because I could do. Well, I'm just gonna get a bed. And then I can just get another thing like this slab. I can do something like this. I've done another survival house. This is way better and add some bookshelves. But in my opinion, every build has its own everything special about it, you know. That's all for the inside. The outside is pretty simple. I did not add a farm. Wait, let me just get it. And also, wait, I forgot to tell the first floor. Then I load the storage, furnaces, and a back door. Okay, you wonder what in the world is this? It's actually the nether portal, as you see. And this is just outside part, like you can relax or walk when it's raining. Now there's also a path connecting over to this middle part, and there's a fountain. Maybe I can add a walkway around the fountain, but that would need more sinking time. So the cobblestone wall can look like the entire fountain looks, I guess, great. So look, now the animal part, I don't think any special. Why I did not put pigs? Well, I put sheep, and I put mushrooms, cows, and chickens. But why did I not put pig? Because pig is also a good food source. The only thing is, pig, like pork chop and beef, give you the same hunger. Oh no, same saturation. But cows also drop leather, and food. But pigs only drop food. And for over here, the chickens lay eggs, and you can make cakes. Yeah, see, that's an egg. And also you can get food and feathers. If you don't have a villager, you can use feathers to craft arrows. But I suggest you trade with villagers because they're extremely cheap. Now the mushrooms. Okay, so first of all, the mushrooms can give you cooked beef and also leather. You can also give you mushrooms, and if you right click on them with a bowl, as you see I'm doing right now, you can get suspicious stew. Mushroom stew. If you have bowls, you can get infinite mushroom stew and infinite food. But I could have put one for horses because they're actually kind of useful for traveling, but I did not think all that's good. So the sheep is the easiest. Just if I get some shears, you can shear them, and you can also dye them. You have different colored wool. Really, wool is useful for builds. They can also drop mutton on kill. I get a sword, but I could have put one for horses. Yeah, I can just literally delete the cow. That's really, that's all the things really to the house. And if you wonder why in the world I just left the small pit, because I just think it looks a bit cooler, like if the path, because not all of you use this path. Like, first of all, you just go into your house and then go upstairs. You don't actually use the path to the sideways door. And I'm just now going to tell about some little things I did. This is the lounge chairs, you can relax. And the workstation parts, you get crafting. Well, I know it's a bit odd that you just walk and then you just no space to, but I know that's a problem. I can move the staircase back by one.
That's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed this Minecraft Education Edition Python tutorial. Stay tuned for more coding adventures. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your fellow coders. Let's build a bigger Python community together.